Welcome to today's analysis. And of course, if today is your first time coming across my video, we do this every single day. We analyze the market and give you structures you'll be looking for each single day. And of course, today is 30th of March 2026. So we'll be starting off with the what's it called? With the fundamental before we come back to the technical aspect of it, of which we'll be starting off the pound dollars on the technical aspect. But before that, let's go back to this fundamental to see what really we are expecting from the United States. Remember, we take just three pairs, the pound dollar, BTCUSD, and XAUUSD. And since all has USD, then you just have to focus on the USD major news. And today, the major news we have today is coming up by 3:30 p.m., which is a what's it called, Fed share that speaks by 3:30 p.m. Nigerian times. So remember, it's actually a major news. That means that it has some major impact on the market or on the charts. So please pay close attention to it because this might actually be a kind of would I say either a breakthrough or a breakdown for you depending on how you see it. If you want to stay out of it, fine. And if you want to trade it, fine. But then just take note by 3:30 p.m. Nigerian time, we'll be having the fundamental. Remember, it actually change this time to your local time by coming over here, then change it to your local time. But it is currently Nigerian time. Alright, so that's it. Let's go back to the fundamental, to the technical aspects. Now, starting with the pound dollars, they marked us some zone earlier. That was, I think, like last week. Yesterday is Monday, so last week actually marked some zone. We said if the market to get to this level, we'll be looking for. I think it was somewhere around here. Then when they make that, I said I'm waiting for the market around this level. I put the pending order right here, another pending order right here. Where I said the market happens to break above this, I'll be going long. And I said if I want to get to this level again, I'll be going long again, putting my stop loss. Then if you break below this, I'll be going short. I'm sure you can remember all that. And just in case you've not watched that analysis, you'd like to see it again, you'd like to go through it again, you can check my previous video. Definitely you will see it right there. Alright, so I think the market's actually moving just we actually plan it. So there's no much analysis there for today. You can just see this is actually my buy, so you can actually still join the buy. I actually expect this to still get to this level so long as it's not breaking below this. That's actually I put my stop loss somewhere around this level. I think my stop loss should be below this previous low ahead. Oh, good. So that's my stop loss. So long as the market is still above it, I'm still very much bullish on pound dollars. Alright, so that's for pound dollars. So let's go to the next one, which is BTC. And of course, we'll be starting up also with the 4-hour charts. Alright, on 4-hour chart on BTC, we seem to be seeing some bullish move also. You can see the market actually currently moving straight into this zone. Now moving to this zone, that means that we usually have our tendency of the market going into this level and of course getting to this level again. But let's go to 15-minute chart. Let's see what really going on 15 minutes charts. Are we see the market moving straight into that zone, or are we seeing it getting rejected and moving below it? Alright. Now from what you are seeing, we can't really categorically say it's gonna break into this zone yet until you start seeing the market giving us a move in change of structure. That means it tries to break below, unable to break below its own previous low, then breaking above its own recent high. You can actually look for long trade. That's why I look for long. So for now on BTC, I'm not really doing anything until it gets to this level. I see the reaction, the candlestick formation, and that is what tells me what I'll be doing. If I'm going to be going long or if I'm going to be going short. But for now, I'm not doing anything. Remember, we do this every single day. So if there's no trade analysis to do, if there's no any setup today, you can come again tomorrow for tomorrow analysis. And if it's the first time, please do it to actually make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon beside it so you get notified once the next video is being posted. And of course, don't forget to still follow, share, and do it to like. Alright, that's it. Let's go to the next one, which is XAUUSD, popularly called gold. We seem to be going bullish and bearish. At this moment is bullish, the next moment is bearish. Alright. Okay. So on gold is actually still very, very much bullish. Let me take this down a little so you can see a better view of what really I'm talking about. Yeah, yesterday we actually last week I just said the market actually close above this previous level. We'll be going long on it, and then you can see that didn't really happen. I think just of recent that you can start seeing the market start showing your bullish move again. So that means that level is actually still validated. So that means we will still be going long on gold right here. Stop loss below this. Remember, gold is actually very volatile. So this is the 15 minutes chart. So going long on gold at this level, stop loss below this. Below this, that my stop loss is. And of course, let me take it to a more reasonable place. I'm trying to adjust the stop loss, but it's not really going. I want to put it. Let me see where it is. No, that's not where I want it. It seems that is not where I actually want this stop to be. I'm not supposed to be inside this zone, but then it seems okay. Let me just go ahead and reduce this, then move this up. Better, perfect. So here's my entry on XAUUSD. Alright, so this brings me to the end of the analysis on pound dollar, BTCUSD, and XAUUSD. Remember, we do this every single day. So please do like to join us tomorrow for tomorrow's analysis, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That gives us the momentum, what do I call it now? The desire to continue doing this every day, knowing that someone actually depends on this to add this up to their own personal analysis to get a better view and a better perspective of the market. Please stay safe, trade safe, and ensure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose.